So the crypto market isn't in a great place right now. We've all seen what's been going on, all the happenings, whether that be the macroeconomic factors like inflation, interest rates, the war, all those sorts of things, or whether it's something like the FTX meltdown that's been happening, the fallout that has been, very widespread, the more that we're finding out here as time goes on. But there's something that is happening, and some people may not be aware of it, because we mostly see the news about, these sorts of things happening. But right now, whales are accumulating large amounts of coins, whether that be, Shiba Inu, whether that be Ethereum, Bitcoin, and there's new whales that are being formed each and every day. Why this is important is because whales tend to control the market, right? They have a very large amount of crypto. And the moves that they make, can influence the price one way or the other. So right now, while the price is going down, this is when the smart money is accumulating. Now, obviously, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you what, to do with your money, but this is an opportunity where you can start to lock in your position for the future as well. That's what I do during these times. Now, I'm not saying, go in and throw all your money down on black, right? And just let it ride. Okay. That's not what I'm saying. Definitely do it smart, right? Do your own research. I've talked about dollar cost averaging here on the ClearCryptos channel before. It's something that you can do to, spread your buys out over time to vary your buy-in cost, right? If you're like me, I bought early last year, so I've been in crypto about a year and a half. I bought basically all the way up to the high, and I've been buying all the way down. So I've been able to dollar cost average and bring my average buy-in price down. And these are the times where you could do that, right? These very, very low prices. These are huge discounts when you compare them to the prices that crypto has been at. I always talk about you should have a long-term mindset on crypto. Nothing huge is going to happen in these bear market cycles. We're not going to get these crazy, huge jumps in price. That's just not where we're at right now. Now, that being said, that doesn't mean that's not going to happen in the future. These cycles we've gone through many, many times before, and this seems to be playing out the exact same way as they have in the past. Now, obviously, there's tons of factors that are affecting the market right now. We don't know how these are all going to play out. We don't know what's going to be coming in the future. We don't have a crystal ball. We just don't know, right? But again, if you believe in crypto long term, if you see the use case, and the way that the crypto space is evolving, it's here to stay. It's not going anywhere anytime soon. And again, if you want to do well in the long term, these may be some of the times you can take advantage of these cheap crypto prices that we're currently at. Now, as always, this is not financial advice. Definitely recommend you do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that, but I tend to watch what the whales are doing. And again, that can give us a good indication of what maybe we should be doing as well. So as always, appreciate you guys stopping in here at the ClearCryptos channel, checking out the video. If you haven't already, make sure you show your support for the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell. You can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Tons of content coming your way, shorts, videos, live streams, more stuff than you could ever want. So make sure you show your support, hit that like button as well. And we really hope to see you in the next one. Take care, guys.